There are many reasons why people become house sitters. Some couples choose to house sit in their local area while saving for a deposit on a new home. Others are location-independent people like us who enjoy the freedom of living in different countries and travelling between assignments. Many retired people opt to house sit because they have plenty of free time to take advantage of longer assignments. They get to make new friends and experience different cultures. If they have small pensions, it's a great way to make their money go further and to travel to places they always hoped to visit but couldn't ever afford. You might simply want a short vacation, but you're fed up with travelling with tourists and staying in soulless hotels. Have you ever been on holiday and thought it would be nice to stay longer? Stay long enough to really experience the culture, the food, the people and the environment. I think for long-term travel we also get to the point where we tire of hotel or hostel living and wish we could stay in a more homely environment. Somewhere we can really chill out and relax, cook for ourselves, do the laundry and watch movies. What about cities? We often limit city travel to just a few days because hotel costs make it so expensive. What if you could stay longer and really experience city life in a cosmopolitan centre in Europe or even Australia? A lot of house-sitting assignments come up in London, Sydney and Paris, as well as in some pretty cool cities in America. We spent almost 2 months pet-sitting an elderly dog in Austin, Texas, and had a wonderful time. House-sitting offers an alternative way to experience city life, often in quieter, less stressful environments, where you can relax after touring the local sites. Maybe you have a big project to complete, writing a book, studying or developing an online business. You'd like a completely new environment to help you focus on the task. It's so easy at home to get distracted by routine actions, friends popping round for coffee and night out for drinks. A house-sitting assignment can provide the focus you need. If you've considered any of these options, then house-sitting is certainly something that would give you a cost-effective solution.